what's up guys, Merv here. Finally back. I took about a 2-week break from making YouTube videos. I've just been working, saving up money, and in the meantime as well, I've been ordering car parts. Now, not everything has arrived, but I do have a few things I would like to show you guys for my Mustang SVO, the project car I'm piecing together, and hopefully get everything installed by the spring's early summer. So let's take a quick look at what I got so far. Guys, so what you're looking at here is that we have an ECU and we have something pretty cool in this box. I will open up for you guys quickly, but let me just let you guys know about this. As you can see, it says LA3 and it's an actual OEM ECU taken from a late model turbo coupe. I bought this actually off of a guy, he's not a guy, he's the guy that sold me my SVO. He still has a few parts lying around for turbo Fords, and this is an extra ECU had. So basically, what benefits do I get with this ECU compared to my stock SVO ECU? From what I've read and from the forums, this one will make my car run better and I can handle more boost. Currently my SVO is running 25 pounds, but with the stock ECU that I have on it and the stock injectors, it's just not going to work properly. It's over boosting, it's boost cutting, it's just not going to work. So with this, I'll be able to lower the boost to like a safe 20-21, and I'm gonna get bigger injectors. Or do I have them already? And I'm gonna put that in with this ECU and just get it a quick tune, and it'll be running smoothly, idling properly, and all that. Now, next, probably the most exciting thing that I've got for the car so far is in this box, and this is not sponsored, this is not paid promo for this video. I just so happened to order this part from Late Model Restorations. If you don't know already, you should check out their site if you are a Ford owner. Specifically, they do Mustangs. I think they do deal with like the EcoBoost sports models like the Focus and the Fiesta. But mainly they deal with Mustangs. So, getting back to this, I already took the liberty of opening it because obviously I couldn't wait. But as you can see, it's very well packaged. My dog is curious, he's just looking at me. So, okay, so this is definitely a major thing that I needed for this car. It's definitely not cheap. Especially if you live in Canada, the shipping. But if you can see here, actually I'll get up. If you see here, it says Ron Francis Wiring. Now, if you guys know what that is, you already know that this is a good quality part. Alright. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Let me try. Alright, cool. Alright guys, so what you're looking at this box is some good hardware that I got actually made in Texas. This is where their base is, I guess, their shop. I got a new engine wiring harness for my SVO. Now, late last summer, my wires actually had like a short, and it like burnt a bunch of stuff, and my amp light has been on since then, and I'm sure it's causing a bunch of electrical shorts. So instead of just doing a lot of splices and trying to see like doing quick fixes, I just decided just to bite the bullet and buy myself a new wiring harness, and now my dog is inspecting it. Does it taste good, buddy? Comes in this obviously nice packaging. As you can see here, it says 84 to 86 Mustang SVO engine harness. Right there. Parts number if anyone's interested. There you go. And then you open it And what do you get? Obviously a bunch of wires. So you get the installation manual, which is really cool. Also, they do, when you order it from LMR, they do give you the digital version, so you could have it on your PC or laptop, or your even your cell phone. It gives you all these pages, step-by-step installation, which I'll definitely need. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna try and install this with my friends, or I'll just bring it to a shop and you know, get them to do it. I'm still not sure yet. I still have a couple months to figure this out before my car goes out of storage. So do definitely have a bunch of tubing right here, I guess, to safely, you know, get that stuff wired tight. You got a bunch here of wires. Now, I don't know crap about wiring, guys. I'm no mechanic, I'll be straight up with you. So my friends would obviously help me out with this stuff. Electrical stuff I usually tend to stay away from and let the pros handle it. But as you can see, without taking it out of the box, because I don't want to mess anything up, this is essentially, if you can see from the diagram, this is essentially what you get. Everything here to get your motor running in top shape with all the electrical stuff. See, it has all the fuse and relays, everything like that, and it even does come with a warranty, which is cool. So there you go, guys. That's number 2 of parts that I've accumulated within the past couple weeks. Guys, so we're outside now. Oh my god, it's actually so nice out, minus the rain, but stuff is starting to thaw out. Look at this. Oh, I love it, I love it. Okay. Alright guys, going to the storage now, and what do we have here? Ooh, we got some seats. Now obviously they're not brand new, they are used, but they are a lot better than my SVO seats, because they're basically, they don't work properly, especially my driver's side. I had to put a freaking box in back to make it, you know, sit up straight. So you can see it's a bit dirty, it needs to be washed, but besides that, it's very clean. In the sense that it's for how old it is, it's very good. Now, sitting down in it feels nice. It does have lumbar support on the sides that I can attach on the bottom. I just have to create like a I don't know the proper term, but like a connector to wire to my battery, in a sense, so it can power up the lumbar support. But the way it is right now, it's perfect. I don't have an issue with it. It works, it reclines, does everything I need, so that's always a plus. Even though I did put it back in its original position, it has the adjustment here, it has the power lumbar support, and obviously this was very crucial, because it doesn't matter how I angled it with my SVO seat, it just would flop all the way down and I'd be basically gangster leaning to drive, and I'm not about that life. So yeah, so I got these for a steal. Essentially I paid $100 for the set, for the 2 of them, and the stock headrests. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the SVO headrests, if they do fit. If so, then I'll probably add those, but definitely the SVO seats, as much as, you know, they basically look like Recaros, they're all broken up and not in a good state. So settle for these GTs for now. In the near future, I'd like to swap out my front seats to some nice aftermarket ones, but this will do just fine for the season. I just want the car to be running properly and just enjoy it for the summer. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright guys, so that's basically gonna conclude today's video. It was short and sweet. It feels good to be filming again. I finally have some content to show you guys, or some stuff to show you guys. So those are some of the car parts that arrived. I have more stuff incoming, so I'll make sure to film those. And then later we're gonna have tons of videos for installations and all that. So I can't even talk. I'm very excited for this season and what's to come. Hope you guys like that dope intro, by the way. Shout out to my boy Quinn, my friend that looks like Dan Rue, if you remember him. Quinn, he's very supportive of all my stuff, and he made that intro for me, so thank you very much. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about that new intro and my new logo, basically. This is another one of the shirts that my buddy Chris made for me. Let me know if you guys would like to get one of these, if you're into SVOs or if you just respect them. I'm thinking of making like a limited production of maybe shirts and sweaters with these designs and maybe my Sir Merv logo that Quinn made me. Let me know what you guys think. It's just an idea, just spitting it out there. You're right. Do people even say that? Anyway, so yeah, if this is your first time, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Our weekly upload program is going to be starting again, so this is the first. Next week I already have a video in mind, so I'm going to film that for you guys. Alright? Take care. See you next time. Peace.